Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. If you've got yourself a new Brother printer and you're trying to set it up on your Windows computer, or you're also trying to set it up with a Wi-Fi, this video is going to help you understand the entire process. Open one of your web browsers and type your printer's model number and make sure you write driver. From the results, you need to make sure that you visit the official website. Here I see it is support.brother.com. That's the official website. So in the first step, we are downloading the most recent and most compatible driver softwares for this specific printer model. You may have a different one, as specifically in this video, I am focusing on MFC-L2820DW. We have Windows here, Windows 11, click OK. In this window, we have all compatible list of drivers available, including some tools and the firmware updates, and you can accordingly choose the type of software you need from this website. However, what we're going to do is here, we're going to simply choose Easy Setup. Open file. Click on Yes. Next. Accept the license terms. Next. Here it's going to ask you for the printer's model number. You can type and choose from the listed options. If you have a Brother account, you can log in here, or you can also create one right from this window, or you can skip it. Now there are two options available here how you want to set up a printer. You want to simply make it Wi-Fi, or you want to make it wired network like with the Ethernet cable or with a USB cable. I am going to still choose this option at the very top, wireless network, and then click on Next. Now this is going to pop a new window, which is going to be for the wireless device setup wizard. As this is the first time I'm setting up this printer with a Wi-Fi network, it's already in the discovery mode, and yes, I want to connect this machine to this Wi-Fi network. Click on Next. If the wireless connection is not enabled on your Brother printer, then you have to simply follow this trick on most of the MFC models. Like press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your machine for more than 2 seconds until check PC or device appears. And the next, you're going to see a window like this. You have got your printer connected to the Wi-Fi, and here in this window, you're going to see your printer's model number and everything. All you have to do is click on Next, continue with the setup process. There are two modes you can choose to download the softwares. You can customize what you want to download, or simply choose this express installation. This one is standard process. And click on Next. Click on Next. Further, you can continue with the machine registration process if you wish to, or you can also skip the registration. It's up to you. Now, your printer is all set to go. By the way, at the same time, if your printer has the outdated firmware, it is also going to ask you to update that. You can install the latest firmware available on your printer from this window. And there it is. We've got Brother MFC-L2820DW successfully connected to the network, and with this Windows 11 computer with full set of drivers and softwares on it. You can also jump into the settings window, Windows I. You can press and hold together to get into Windows settings. Click on Bluetooth and devices on left, and printer and scanners on right. And there it is. I'm pretty much sure this is our printer. There you go. Let's try to print a test page. And done. This is how you can set up your Brother printer on your new Wi-Fi network, or set up a new Brother printer on Windows 11 computer with full set of drivers and softwares. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.